is now going.
We have about 6 liters of blood in our body. So if all that blood goes out, the person will die.
Few humans survive a great white attack. But surprisingly, it's not Australia's deadliest shark. There's another, one far more dangerous to humans. Unlike most sharks, it can survive in fresh water and probably killed more people than any other shark in Australian waters. The bull shark.
The bull shark has just made an experiment in its ability to tolerate fresh water. Most sharks cannot tolerate fresh water at all. This shark is worldwide in distribution, particularly along the coastal zones where there are estuaries and fresh water. And the shark has swum as far as Alton, Illinois' 1,800 miles up the Mississippi River.
This means bull sharks can leave the ocean and hunt in rivers, where humans are more likely to be swimming or fishing.
It's found a haven with an unfilled niche full of feeding opportunities.
Like the great white, bull sharks have superb senses, but in the murky waters of a river, it's harder to visually lock onto a target, so the bull shark relies on its other senses. Its sense of smell is 10,000 times better than ours. Unlike humans, sharks' nostrils aren't connected to their respiratory system, so they never stop smelling. Water constantly flows through their olfactory organs. 2/3 of a bull shark's brain is dedicated entirely to their sense of smell. Blood gets its attention from 3 miles away. As the bull shark closes in, it switches to its incredible sixth sense, electroreception. This picks up the faint electrical currents generated by all animals when they use their muscles. Along the shark's snout and jaw are tiny sensors called the ampullae of Lorenzini. Like radio receivers, they pick up the animal's activity and pass the signals on to the shark's brain. The force of the attack shocks the prey. Then its teeth and jaws do the rest. They rip deep into flesh and bone, breaking open vital blood vessels. Like the great white, the bull shark's victims usually bleed to death after a single deadly bite.
In the case of most shark attacks, people learn over time that there are hot spots. Usually there is an oral tradition in a village saying, don't swim there. On that reef or at the mouth of that river, there's a big shark that will bite you. And they're right, because there are certain things about certain habitats that are beneficial to sharks. You'd be very foolish to swim in an estuary where there has recently been a bull shark attack.
The bull shark leaves few survivors, but it's paying the price for ranging into fresh water and human habitats. This mighty hunter is now being hunted by humans.
As apex predators, they control the numbers of everything else in this pyramid of life. So bull sharks, fear them or love them, we need them, and we really want to keep them alive.
Australia is home to a number of creatures that manage to survive even in harsh, unforgiving conditions. Places like the dry desert outback, where there are more venomous species than anywhere else on the planet. Of the world's 25 most venomous snakes, 21 are Australian. To survive in the extreme desert interior, all life has to conserve energy. So Australia's snakes let their venom do the work. And this one is the master, the world's most toxic snake.
Well, inland taipans, of course, are known for their incredibly potent venom, and one of the theories for why they have such potent venom is the harsh environment in which they live. When you're a snake, you can't really afford to be exposed to the hot sun while you're trying to find the animal that you've just bitten, so it has to die quickly.
The inland taipan has enough venom to kill 100 people. Growing up to 12 feet long, it uses an extraordinary sense of smell to find its food. It picks up scent on its tongue and can lock onto a target from 10 yards away.
The reason it's got a forked tongue is so that it can get a sense of direction. Just like our ears are on either side of our head, we can hear a sound coming from one side rather than the other. The snake can tell where the scent is stronger and move in that direction.
In just 1 second, 60 milligrams of venom rushes through its half-inch-long fangs as the snake injects its victim with a lethal toxin. Drop for drop, the taipan venom has no equal. It's by far the most potent of all snake toxins. Its main ingredient,